Welcome to First Time Casting Adventures channel. Please subscribe for more videos.
I had gas at this pond and fountain again this morning. Hey, first cast, first fish, but look how small this thing is, man. He bit this full-size chatterbait. All right, first bass this morning on the chatterbait, but look how small this guy is. Let's get him back in the water. Let's see if we can get one more on the bank. This place looks good right here. Uh-oh, got one. Oh man. Oh yeah. Oh, come on there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at there. He got a little bigger. All right, let's see if we can get one more out of here. 2 for 2. All right, let's see. We ain't picking up a little bit. Good gracious, when you know it. All right. The hook, he only got side of it, the side. He didn't even get the hook, like he just had on to the bait. So he didn't even get the hook. He missed it again. Uh-oh, he got it. He got it. Something got it. Oh yeah, look at there. Oh wow. Man, I sure tell you what, fishing for dinks, they're a lot of fun. I tell you, they ain't got no size on them, but they are so much fun to catch, you guys. Let's get them back, guys. Let's see if we can get something did pull on it. I felt it. I felt that tug. Let's see. Mine might have been grass. I don't know. Let's see. Oh, he hit it right there. Oh, Lord. Uh-oh. Got another one. Got another one. Oh, yeah. little bigger. Oh yeah. Oh, he's a little bigger. Still catching them on the chatterbait, y'all, with the saucy swimmer trailer tail on it. And they're trying to get a little bigger, so let's see if we can keep it going. It's so much fun. All right, let's get this little guy back. Thanks, buddy, appreciate it. One recording. Oh, that's a nice one right there. That's a real nice one, real nice one. He was right up under that tree. Still throwing that chatterbait, you guys, with the sausage swimmer trailer tail on it. Just got one real nice one. They keep getting bigger. Let's see if we can try it a little longer. That's a nice one right there, though. Oh, beautiful. I just made you famous.